Hey guys, my name is Samuel Sagwa, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today I want to take a look at the Air Max 95 Premium by Nike in the pink foam colorway. These released in early May 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £130. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from the Offspring online store, and it comes in a classic brown and black cardboard box with a red trim. The style code is CJ05880001, and inside the box comes the shoes in white paper with a pink anatomical arch support pad. An extra set of pink laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. 2020 marks the 25th anniversary of the Air Max 95, following the 110s which were a Foot Patrol and Nike store exclusive, as well as the colourful size exclusive anniversary pairs. These Air Max 95 pink foams take a more OG or classic colour blocking with its black midsole, tonal/gradient grey mid panel with a white mesh eyelet overlay. Of course, the major difference is the pink foam accents on the pull eyelets, the Nike Air at the heel, as well as the embroidered swoosh, the Nike Air on the black insoles, the hits on the outsole, finish off with the pink foam internal airbag. The pink foam is a nice pale pink, which is very subtle and easy to style. Designed by Sergio Lozano, the Air Max 95 is inspired by the human body. The midsole represents the spine, the paneling takes a nod to the muscles, as well as the laces on the shoes are inspired by the ribs. One non-OG design that was omitted from this shoe is the choice of a white plastic upper tongue. I wish they kept the OG with the padded mesh one, but it's not a big deal. One thing that is a big deal, however, is the quality control. It's nice to see Nike has improved the overall shape of the 95 compared to recent retros, as well as the materials being okay, but calling these a premium Air Max 95 with this many stitching errors is kinda laughable at this stage, and I'm sure you've noticed the left toe area.
I prefer really not to speak. If I speak, I am in big trouble. In big trouble, and I don't want to be in big trouble.
Sides and wise, I'll stay true to size. It's pretty wide foot friendly with a softer, more OG style material. The full air and foam midsole with flexible grooves feel fairly soft, but when I think comfort, I don't really think Air Max, but you should be fine all day with these. But overall, this is a very good looking shoe and it's definitely ready for summer. So did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Personally, these are easy pass. It's a nice looking shoe, but the only thing premium about these is in the name. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment foam to show me you watch this video to the end. Please like, subscribe and follow if you like my content. Apart from that, have a good day.